Hello, I'm here today to show you the extension for ch. We've got words here, I have 4, with words that end with ch. Ch. Lunch, punch, porch, bench. I'm going to show you how we would write sentences using the words lunch, punch, porch, bench. Okay. So I'm going to write to the side and you'll be able to see my writing, lunch. So I'm going to think about what I might write about lunch if I thought of a sentence with the word lunch. I am hungry for lunch. I am hungry for lunch. I am hungry for lunch. Okay? Then I'll look at my word punch. 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 I am thirsty for punch. I am th. That's another phoneme. Th. Thirsty for punch. I am thirsty for punch. Porch. My dog sits on the porch. My dog sits on the porch. Now remember, I hear that ch. So I'm going to use CH to make that ch sound. Porch. My dog sits on the porch. Porch. Then my last word is bench. Bench. The bench is empty. Is that a good sentence? The bench is empty. How about the bench in the park is empty? That would make it more of a complex sentence. The bench in the park is empty. The bench in the park is empty. Empty. The bench in the park is empty. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to look for the words that have the ch. I'm just going to mark them. I am thirsty for punch. My dog sits on the porch. The bench in the park is empty. Now we have room down here. If you'd like to draw a picture, you could choose any one of these sentences and choose to draw that picture here. You could try to make a silly sentence because we have more room. A silly sentence that might include the words lunch, punch, porch, and bench. If you were to make a silly sentence with lunch, punch, porch, and bench, what would it be? I had punch in my lunch when I sat on the bench on my porch to eat it. That is a really long, silly sentence that has all of my words in it. If I were to write a sentence like that, then I would definitely have a silly sentence. So I wrote lunch, punch, porch, and bench. I am hungry for lunch. I am thirsty for punch. My dog sits on the porch. The bench in the park is empty. My work is done. You can use these words or think of any other words that end with ch or maybe start with ch to add to your sentences, or you can make a silly sentence of your own.